Hi, my name is Riyan Athar, and in this video I am going to tell you the concept of constant qualifier and also pointers. Using constant with pointers. Actually, the qualifier, what is it? Whenever we do not want to change the value of a specific variable, so we said it is constant. Actually, there are a lot of variables, and we are using a variable in more than one time. So sometimes we mistakenly choose a variable and override it. So it will give us a logical error. So we couldn't find out the error. So where we do not need to change a specific variable's value, so we use const qualifier with it and made it a constant, then its value cannot be changed. So this is the concept of constant. And constant qualifier indicates that the value of variable should not be modified, as I told you. And const used when function does not need to change the variable's value. And principle of least privilege, award function enough access to accomplish task but no more. For example, a function that prints the elements of an array takes an array and int indicating length. So in the function we are taking two arguments, one is array and the other is its size. If we are not using dynamic array and dynamic memory allocation, we do not need to change array contents and array length. And if we do not have need to change array contents and array length, then we should be constant, we should keep it constant. Ways to pass pointers to function. There are four ways: non-constant pointer to non-constant data, non-constant pointer to constant data, constant pointer to non-constant data, and constant pointer to constant data. So let's begin with non-constant pointer to non-constant data. As you can see, in this non-constant pointer to non-constant data, both the pointers and the data are not bounded. So it means that high amount of access data can be modified through the dereferenced pointer. Pointer can be modified to point to other data by incrementing in the pointer, and it will increment in the address of the variable which it is pointing. Its declaration does not include const qualifier. For example, in this example, you see that nowhere I am using const qualifier because everything is not nothing is bounded. And in the next, non-constant pointer to constant data, here pointer can be modified to point to any appropriate data item because pointers are not constant and data is constant, so data cannot be modified through this pointer. Provides the performance of pass by reference and the protection of pass by value. In this example, you are seeing that const int. So I use const qualifier before int. It means that I am keeping the data constant. Non-constant constant pointer to non-constant data. Uh, in this constant pointer to non-constant data, always points to the same memory location because pointer is constant and data can be modified through the pointer because data is not constant, must be initialized when declared. In this example, I'm using the const qualifier before x and after the this star symbol. So this star, you know that it is representing the pointer. So here pointer is constant, that's why const keyword is present before x. Constant pointer to constant data. Here pointers and data both are bounded, so least amount of access. But where in the start non-constant pointers to non-constant data I have written that high amount of success because their pointers and data both were not bounded, and always points to the same memory location because pointer is constant, so memory location is same widgets points, and data cannot be modified using this pointer. In this example, I use the const keyword twice, once for data and other for pointer. I hope you liked the video. Feel free to ask question in comment section. Share the video with your family and friends. Okay, take care.